Hello everyone, welcome to a new unclosing video on Hellhole channel. Hope you all are fine and doing good. Today we are visiting a complaint site. Here nearby we have found a huge lake or dirty pond. You can see that. Actually this area was not connected with the main sewer line. So the residents of this area was using these plots to dispose of their sewage, and they are also using this plot to throw the trash. There is a huge trash right there. You can watch that they are throwing it inside this plot. I was here to just show you the condition of these plots or this area. Actually the complaint site is this street. We are going to unclog this street. Actually the overflow of this street was also entering in that plot, and it was some kind of addition in that huge sewage. The sewage is not accumulated in this street because the level of the street is very high and slope is towards that plots. So whenever it overflows, the sewage run off toward that plots, and it was increasing the amount or quantity of that sewage which was accumulated in that plot. So we are going to unclog the sewer line so that the sewage from this street cannot enter into that plot which is already in huge quantity. The waste has been removed from this manhole. You can see that this waste has been removed from the manhole. The construction of a house is in progress in this street. You can see that there is a sand right beside the manhole. It's just because of the construction of a house. Now we are going to remove the trash from inside the manhole. This waste will be removed from the manhole. There is a waste and rubbish gathered inside the manhole. You can watch. Staff is removing it by using a tool. It's some sort of rake which we use to remove the silt or waste from the manholes. Sewer pipe has been almost dumped in this waste, so there is no way for the sewage to flow. So the removing of waste will help to flow this sewage properly, and sewer line will take time to block again. See that it's not only the waste, it's a rubbish which is mixed with the waste. This is how he is removing the waste from the manhole. The manhole is almost clear. I can see the pipe, the sewer pipe. Maybe you can also watch. Let's move to previous manhole. it's mostly happened the manhole cover stuck, and it's take force to open it again, because it's made of iron, and due to rust they stuck inside the manhole. You can see that they're trying to remove that cover forcefully.
हो गया.
After a long effort, it's free now, and the now cover has been removed. I think it's after removing it after a long time. That is why it was
ट्राली आई
stuck
ਜਾਂਦੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਆਇਓ.
due to rust.
ਇੱਥੇ ਲਵਾਲੀ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਉਹ
Condition of this manhole is also not good. It's filled with the waste. So the waste of this manhole will be removed. So the sewer line could be functional. There is a trolley of earth. I already told that the construction of the house is in progress. So this trolley is also going to bringing some earth and to remove there. So this manhole is blocked, and our staff is now trying to unclog this span with the help of this metal wire. Here we go. You can see that there is a huge blockage which was stuck inside the pipe, which is removed now by that metal wire. After making this manhole functional, now the staff is started to remove the waste from this manhole. There is still some blockage in the sewer pipe, so that is why the staff is again using that metal wire. You can watch that its level is started decreasing as he is using wire. Again, some rubbish has been stuck with this metal rod, and the level goes down. You can watch that. So here is the previous manhole from upstream. We are going to check whether it's working or not. No, it's filled with sewage and it's still blocked. We have to unclog this span also with this metal wire. Two little kids are spectating the unclosing. You can see that. And this manhole got functional within no time. You can see the level of sewage is decreasing.
ਗਾਤੀ ਗੱਲ ਨਾ ਹਾਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੈਸੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਹੀ ਗੱਲ
ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੋਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਨ ਹੋਰ
Rubbish removed from the pipe and the sewage level start decreasing. You can see now staff is removing the waste from the wire.
ਬਸ ਕਰ
ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਮੂੰਹ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਓਏ ਬੜੇ ਹੋ ਯਾਰ ਕਾਕਾ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਪਰਾਂ ਆ
And the manhole got empty within no time. All the sewage has been flowed and there is only waste left now, which will be removed.
ਓਏ ਆਇਆ ਮਿੰਟ ਮਾਰ ਕੇ ਆਸ਼ਰ ਉਰੇ ਆ ਜਰਾ 1 ਮਿੰਟ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਖੁਰਪਾ ਰੇ ਆ
You can see that the man with that tool is moving to this manhole so he could remove the waste from this manhole. The sewer pipe also dumped under the beneath this waste. So after removing this waste, this manhole will be working
ਪਰ
properly.
ਓਵਰਫਲੋ ਪਾਏ ਆ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਲਾਈਨ ਇੱਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਆ
There is still huge waste inside the manhole, which still remaining.
ਉਹ ਮਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ 3500 ਰੁਪਏ ਦਾ
It's taking force to remove it. It's not coming easily.
ਨਾਲ ਕੁੰਡੀ ਵਾਲਾ
It's
ਬੁਲਾ ਲਾ
taking time.
ਨਾਲ ਕੁੰਡੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਬੁਲਾ ਲਾ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਟਾ ਲਾ
So this is the last manhole of this street. So this was the manhole which whenever it flows and the sewage enter in that plot and it increased the level or quantity in that plot. There is a buffalo. It's swimming in this dirty pond. Staff is still working in at that manhole to clean it properly. The mostly rubbish has been removed. You can see the pipe is fully clear now. There's no more waste
Pipe te
in
khali
front
ho
of the pipe. And this rubbish has been waste removed from the manhole. So this is the last manhole, and the waste has been removed from this manhole also, and it's clear now. There will be no more overflow in the street, and it's clear. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.